Okay, we're gonna walk back here and check on the loggers. He's cutting the timber right up on that ditch bank. I think that'll make a pretty good video. I was gonna fly the drone, but time I got it up, he'll be finished. So let's just walk down there with the GoPro and see if we can get some film of it. I'm gonna turn it around now so you can check him out and see what they're doing. Maybe we won't run up on the sneaky snake down through here. A big machine. As you can see, I'm standing way back, not getting anywhere close to it. When we cut that big tree, that's if it was to get away from him and fall out in the field, I don't want to be nowhere close to it. He's gonna try that big one. Maybe not. Hard to tell from here. Yep, he is. There it goes. Got it. I got a lot of plans for what's going to happen, what he's doing right now in the coming months and years. There'll be a lot of videos to be had through here. Y'all get to see it all. Not going to give away what I'm going to do yet, but there'll be a lot of videos. Walk down a little further now. We don't have to worry about the big trees falling on us. Got to kind of watch where I'm walking. There was a little snake running around over here the other day when I was here. Well, there comes the truck backing in. Let's walk back up there and get a good video of him. This wheat is getting tall. Ooh, that's tough on that tire there, dude. got all excited because he was on candid camera. I see you got your little friend with you. He's not camera shy, I hope. Rides with me all the time. Rides with you all the time, huh?
Every day.
So you got your skinner back fixed?
Yes.
Y'all about finished with this block, aren't you? There's the main man right there.
I can't see it.
How you doing?
Where's that going at? I said I can't see it.
No, I'm doing it with this today. So. Doing a little filming and stuff, cause like I said, when it's only been cut one other time in my lifetime, so just trying to document it a little bit so we'll have it. So you got your what was it, the turbo?
Yeah.
Did you get the 2-year warranty one? I don't blame you. I don't blame you one bit. Y'all about got all this cut, don't you?
Yeah, I got it cut.
Except for that, I tried to get some film. I didn't want to get too close because I didn't want that one to come out and get me.
It's old. It'll reach out there.
Yeah, it'll reach out there and touch you on it. Yeah, I seen you cutting that in the corner earlier this morning.
Yeah, I got it cut on it.
Yeah.
Try to cut most of that stuff off the ditch. All that stuff fall right out there. So.
You just do the best you can with it. It's all you can do.
Guns I tried to got away from it was outside the mine. I cut the little mine. Missed the gun.
Missed it.
Yeah. I didn't want to get too close to the ditch. I was just getting just close enough to get that mine. Got the gun.
Yeah, I didn't know where you were going to be able to get that one big pine from that side of the ditch or not. I figured you might have to come on this side to get it.
Yeah, it was standing there pretty straight. Sure about it.
Yeah. Well, the thing about them ones down there is all the limbs are on the wrong side. Yeah. That was a pretty load of logs went out of here earlier today.
Yeah.
Pretty load. What's your puppy's name?
Trio.
Okay, Trio.
Let's go.
All right. So he gets to go everywhere with it.
Yeah.
I can tell that you're starving him too.
Yeah. Oh, he's on a diet now.
He's on a diet.
He was better than that.
Is he a Chihuahua?
Yeah. Loyal little rascal.
He's what?
He's loyal.
Loyal. Yeah. We used to have one about that size, and I don't care how big the dog was. I don't care where it was a deer. She killed a possum one day in the yard. Right. She didn't let nothing come in that yard. Nothing. I don't care what it was. She'd run it out. There come a dog out there that was that high one day. She run that rascal off.
Yeah. He's about the same way.
We had
He's got an attitude now.
We had a garden, and we had sweet corn planted out there. Well, the sweet corn, the stalk of the corn kept falling over, and the corn was being eaten off the stalk. We didn't know what in the world was getting our corn. The dog was chewing the stalk off at the ground so it would fall over so it could eat the corn. And it was eating more of the sweet corn than we were. Sure was.
Longer than you think they are, ain't they?
Yeah. They figured out how to get it down there.
We got a big door in the house that opens the door and goes out.
Open the door.
It's a storm door, long house.
It pushes
You
it
come up
down.
right here with the ball and walk right out.
Yeah.
That door shut, you can open from outside.
Yeah.
You open, come back in.
Yeah. They're smart.
Yeah, teacher.
Think you're gonna be able to get your trucks down that field? I don't know how much it rained here last week, but it fell a flood at my house at the beach.
It rained pretty good down here too.
This time of the year, it don't take it long. I got 2 race cars in there. I got 2 race cars in there where I used to race. But I got a late model sportsman and a late model stock. But that was back in the 90s when I was racing. The 99 is the last year that I raced. I hadn't raced none since then. I'm an old man now. I'm too old for that stuff now. I feel like I could go back and do it, but I don't know. I run it Kinley. Viv and Richard, back when they were married, they went over there and watched us run when we were running. I always said that's the most fun you can have with your clothes on. I enjoyed it there. I really did when I was doing it. But it's a very, very expensive hobby. Very expensive hobby. Let me turn this thing off.